Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Airtable bases with permission settings for safety, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Airtable website. Log into your Airtable account using your credentials. Locate the base you want to update from your dashboard. Click on the base to open it. Once inside, look for the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Click the Share button to access the sharing settings. In the sharing panel, you will see a list of collaborators. Choose the collaborator whose permission settings you want to change. Click on the drop-down menu next to their name. You will see different permission levels: editor, commenter, and read-only. Select the appropriate permission level based on the collaborator's role. If you want to add a new collaborator, enter their email address in the invite box. Set their permission level as you did for existing collaborators. After adjusting permission settings, click the Invite or Done button to save changes. Review the permission settings for all collaborators to ensure they meet your safety requirements. Consider enabling link sharing settings if you want others to access the base without inviting them. Be cautious with link sharing as it may expose your base to unintended access. After making all necessary adjustments, click the Done button to close the sharing panel. Take a moment to revisit your workspace overview to double-check permissions. Your Airtable base is now updated with the necessary permission settings for safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.